My dear students, good morning. Today I am going to give you some questions based on distance oblique displacement and the speed oblique velocity. I will explain the question as well as what will be its solution and your responsibility to solve yourself them. Right? Question 1. An object has moved through a distance. An object has moved through a distance can it have zero displacement? Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. While teaching the topic distance and displacement, I told you that when an object moves on a circular track after completing one revolution, that is one rotation, its displacement is zero, that is initial position and final position both are equal. So it's here in this case its displacement will be zero, but here distance equal to 2 pi r according to the circumference that is equal to the circumference of the circle. In the same way, if an object moves on a straight path led from point A to point B and then it again come to point A, after going up to point A it again come to point A, that is firstly it goes to point B from A and then it comes again to point A. At point A, what will be its distance? AB plus AB, that is 2AB. But here displacement is 0 and distance is 2AB. So in this case also displacement is 0. So that is, with these examples you can tell that here in this case displacement can be 0. Right? Note second question. A farmer moves along a boundary of a square field. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. what will be the magnitude of displacement after 2 minutes 20 seconds? What will be the magnitude of displacement after 2 minutes 20 seconds? Please try to solve this question. Here you will see this is the square field. Side 10 meter, 10 meter each. Here you have to calculate the number of round in 2 minutes 20 seconds. That is time equal to 2 minutes 20 seconds. It means 2 into 60, that is 120 seconds plus 20. 120 plus 20 equal to 140 seconds. Right? So here see the number of round in 140 seconds equal to total time 140 upon that round in 1, that is round in 40 seconds. 40 सेकेंड में 1 राउंड कंप्लीट होता है, तो 140 by 40 you will get its answer here. What will be 4 3 are 12 2, that is a 3.5 round. 3.5 round. So now calculate the displacement, that is on completing 1 round. Suppose it starts from point A, B, C, D in this way. So after completing 1 round, what will be displacement? 0, because initial position and final position both are same. After completing 2 rounds, what will be the displacement? 0. After completing 3 rounds, what will be the displacement? Again 0. Displacement in 3 complete rounds equal to 0. Displacement in last half round equal to here AB to BC, AB and BC, that is shortest, that is here shortest length or between the final position and initial position. After completing 3 rounds, again this farmer moves from A to B and then B to C, half round. So here this is the final position C and initial position A. So length of AC, length of AC equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, what will you say? Square root AB square plus BC square. So calculate it. 10 square plus 10 square. What is this? 100 plus 100 equal to 200, and this is equal to 10 square root 2 meters. Note the question number 3. Which of the following is true for displacement? True for the displacement. First, it cannot be zero. B, its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by object. Is greater than the distance traveled by the object in definite time. C, displacement is equal or smaller than distance traveled by an object. So here you have to tell which of the following is true for the displacement. It cannot be zero. Consider whether it be true or not. It is not true. It can be zero, right? Here its magnitude is greater than the distance traveled by the object in definite time. The magnitude of displacement, that is magnitude of displacement is not greater than magnitude of distance traveled by object in a definite time, because this is a rule. Here distance is greater or equal to displacement. Right? This is the relation between distance and displacement. Note some more question. Question number 4. During an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station. Reached to the ground station in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship? What was the distance of spaceship from the ground? Distance, that is speed of light signal equal to 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. Question is very simple. Here you have to find out the distance, speed and time has been given. Although time is given in minute, change it into second and then write d equal to s into t. But you have to change time, the 5 minutes into second, right? Write one more question. The odometer of a car reads, the odometer of a car. Do you know odometer? Odometer is a device which measures the distance traveled by a moving body, that is distance traveled by a car or bus or bike. Of a car reads 2000 kilometer at the start of a trip. Of a trip. At the end 2400 kilometer at the end of the trip. Calculate the average speed of the car. Calculate the average speed of the car in 8 hours. Here you have to change kilometer in that. Firstly consider the distance traveled in 8 hours. So distance traveled in 8 hours equal to, this is the final reading and this one is the initial reading of the odometer. So 2400 kilometer minus 2000 kilometer, you will get what? 400 kilometer. D equal to 2400 minus 2000 equal to 400 kilometer. Now change it into meter. What will be this? 400 into 1000, that is meter. and time t equal to 8 hour. 8 hour means 8 into 3600 second. Do you know why? Because SI unit of speed is meter per second. Then calculating speed equal to d by t. Use this, put these values and solve it. Right? Thank you.